time for our weekly segment of Future Shock 2.0 with the irrepressible workforce trends expert Ira Wolfe, here offering us more insight on artificial intelligence. Picking up, Ira, on artificial intelligence, what is the risks of blackmail, fraud, AI getting into the hands of bad actors with the stresses and troubles in our globe today, the war in Ukraine, adversaries using it for bad means? It raises a lot of disturbing questions.
Yeah, well, I'll go back to two things. I think what happens if it gets into the hands, it's in the hands of bad actors. The war in Ukraine was actually started by cyber attacks on the system. So it's already there, and thinking about the power of AI, where it's going to go, it's exponentially growing. To think that ChatGPT got 100 million users within 5 days, and just rolling back the clock, you and I are certainly rolling back the clock 15 years. He said, "What's this Facebook thing?" It took him 10 months to get 100 million users. ChatGPT did it in 5 days. So the acceptance and the rollout of these things, putting tools like that in the hands of anybody, just to create misinformation, not even at the higher levels of cybersecurity. And the challenge is that it's moving so fast that it's moving faster than our ability to keep up with, even have good cybersecurity, that people are thinking about on our level, just this conversation, what's happening this week, what happened last week, but how do you develop the skills to outthink AI? How do you develop cybersecurity protocols and regulations and plans and even think that far ahead? And the reality is in order to do that, you need AI. It's AI developing those plans. But that's not what I'm hearing. That's not what I'm seeing. That's not where the conversation is. I think having the fear is healthy. The fear of the unknown, the fear of AI. I think it's what we need to do. But fear alone is not going to stop it.
That was Ira Wolfe on AI. Artificial intelligence is here with us, and Ira will have more for us on that and on other topics on future episodes. Ira is a workforce trends expert, author, top 5 global thought leader, and host of the Geeks, Geezers, and Googlization podcast.